If you're considering buying Solidroad, there are 7 key things you absolutely need to know before making your decision. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have all the insights you need to figure out if Solidroad is the right fit for you and whether it stacks up against the competition. First off, Solidroad stands out for its user-friendly interface, which can be a huge game changer for businesses that are tired of complex and clunky software. Unlike competitors, Solidroad is designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy for even beginners to get up and running quickly. If you're someone who values efficiency, this could be a real time saver for your business. Next thing, one of the biggest selling points of Solidroad is its seamless integration with other tools. Whether you're using CRM software, email marketing platforms, or analytics tools, Solidroad plays well with most major platforms. This is something you don't always get with other software options, where integration can sometimes feel like an afterthought. It ensures that you won't have to switch systems or manually transfer data between different platforms, which can be a headache and a major time drain. The third thing you need to know is that Solidroad offers excellent customization options. Unlike many software solutions that try to fit every business into one mold, Solidroad allows you to tailor features to your specific needs. Whether you're focused on project management, team collaboration, or tracking metrics, you can adjust Solidroad to match your unique workflow. And if you're used to software like Monday.com or Asana, you'll find Solidroad's customization a breath of fresh air. The fourth thing to consider is Solidroad's customer support. With a dedicated support team that is available 24/7, you're never left in the dark. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or need help optimizing your usage of the software, Solidroad's team is known for quick responses and knowledgeable assistance. This is one area where Solidroad really beats out competitors like Trello or Basecamp, where response times can sometimes be slower. The fifth thing to keep in mind is the pricing structure. Solidroad offers a transparent pricing model with no hidden fees. If you've dealt with other platforms that charge extra for premium features or unexpected add-ons, you'll appreciate the clarity here. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Solidroad has pricing plans that scale with your needs. Plus, the value for what you get in terms of features is often better compared to more expensive software, like Monday.com. Moving on, the sixth thing is that Solidroad is focused on automation, which can drastically improve your productivity. With automated workflows, you can easily set up processes that save you time, from automated reminders to progress updates. If you're coming from a tool like Asana, where automation can feel limited or complex to set up, Solidroad provides an easier path to automate your daily tasks without a steep learning curve. The seventh thing, and this one's crucial, Solidroad is always evolving. The team behind it continuously updates the platform, adding new features based on user feedback and industry trends. While some software platforms can feel stagnant over time, Solidroad shows a real commitment to improving and staying ahead of the curve. So if you're concerned about being stuck with outdated features, Solidroad ensures you'll always have access to the latest tools to keep your business moving forward. If you're intrigued by what you've heard and want to try out Solidroad for yourself, don't forget to click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial for the software and access exclusive benefits. This is your chance to explore Solidroad hands-on and see if it's the right fit for your business needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.